Benefits of security and governance in the cloud. Whether you are deploying infrastructure as service or software as service, cloud features support governance and compliance. Things like set templates help ensure that your deployed resources meet cooperate standards and government regularity requirements. Plus, you can update all your deployed resources to new standards as standard changes. Cloud-based auditing helps flag any resource that's out of compliance with your cooperate standards and provides mitigation strategies. Depending on your operating model, software patches and updates may also automatically be applied, which helps with both governance and security. On the security side, you can find cloud solutions that match your security needs. If you want maximum control of security, infrastructure as service provides you with physical resources but lets you manage the operating systems and install software, including patches and maintenance. If you want patches and maintenance taken care automatically, platform as service or software as service deployments may be the best cloud strategies for you. And because of the cloud is intended as an over internet delivery of IT resources, cloud providers are typically well suited to handle things like distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, making your network more robust and secure. By establishing a good governance footprint early, you can keep your cloud footprint updated, secure, and well managed.